Hi guys, in today's video I will show you exactly how to log in into your Public Bank Berhad online banking account in Malaysia. For that, first of all you need to come here on the official website of pbebank.com. Now once you are here on this page, right away on the top right hand corner of the screen you will see this login option. So when you click on this login option, it is going to show you 4 further options. So among these, you just have to select the PBE if you have a personal bank account with them. You can go with PB Enterprise if you have a business account with them. So I'm assuming that you might have a personal account with the PBE bank. So after selecting the first option, you will be landed here on this page. Over here, you just have to provide your user ID, then press next here in the bottom. On the next page you will have to provide your password associated with your public bank account. Then if you have enabled any security password or two-factor authentication, an OTP will be sent on your registered email address or on your phone number. So you will have to provide that and you will be able to get access to your public bank online banking dashboard in no time. So with the help of that dashboard, you can just simply view your available balance. You can transfer the money, pay the bills, and manage your account safely. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.